Hey, this is Mitch Bromwell, Port St. John, Florida. We have Intelsat 6-2. It's supposed to be launching tonight from Pad 40. Launching these satellites to the equator for communication. And there's liftoff, folks. First stage will be going 400 nautical miles out to land on a drone ship, and the fairings will be going in approximately the same location to be retrieved. There she is, folks, February 17th, 2023. Get a view of her.
Normal call-outs from SpaceX Launch Control. Propulsion is nominal. It looks like the Falcon 9 has climbed into some cloud cover over the Space Coast.
She's in some cloud coverage now, folks. Don't know if we're going to get another glimpse of her or not, but she's lighting up the sky. There she goes. Had a short glimpse of her. Another short glimpse of her. She may break free. There she comes out of the clouds. Here comes the rumble.
Falcon 9 now is supersonic. It's past the point of maximum dynamic pressure. This is the point of
Payload's 1.5 million pounds.
through the air. Now rocketing into the stratosphere. Minute 40 seconds into the flight. Still hearing normal call-outs from SpaceX Launch Control.
She's gone dark on us, folks.
Looks like we're starting to lose that view in the cloud cover once again. We're going to switch to SpaceX's stream.
I'm going to go back down to my camera, see if we can't get a view of the rockets.
See the plume of those 9 Merlin engines expanding as the launch vehicle climbs into the rarefied air of the upper atmosphere. Coming up on main engine cutoff and stage separation. SpaceX feed does come with about 15 seconds or so of delay.
Those are 9 Merlin engines.
We've seen or heard confirmation of main engine cutoff.
MECO.
There's stage separation. The 15-story tall first stage booster has been released from the upper stage of the Falcon 9, and now the Falcon 9's upper stage engine is igniting, producing more than 200,000 pounds of thrust. That engine bell glowing red hot from the superheated exhaust. That's that red signature, that red hot signature you're seeing there is as expected as the nozzle heats up. And now the first stage on the left, you can see the camera from the first stage shows the grid fins have extended to prepare that booster for its descent back into the atmosphere. The first stage booster is still coasting upward. You can see its altitude is still climbing at 105 kilometers and rising. It'll coast to an apogee before beginning its descent, and there's payload fairing jettison. The nose cone, the shroud that the Intelsat 672 spacecraft has been jettisoned. That will parachute the elevation to 62 paths, and it will come into downrange and recover those 2 fairing paths for refurbishment and reuse. 4 minutes into the flight now. Everything looking good so far on SpaceX's 12th launch of the year, their 2nd launch of the day.
2 launches today, folks. One in Vandenberg, California, and one here in Florida. Another double. I think I'm about going to wrap this up. I don't think I want to make it to the landing on the barge.
approaching 5 minutes now since the liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. Everything continuing to look good. A little more than a minute now away from the first stage entry burn. This will involve an ignition of 3 of the first stage's 9 engines for a retrograde maneuver, a braking burn, to slow down as it dips deeper into the atmosphere. As we continue covering the Falcon 9's climb to orbit, we want to give a big shout out and thanks for all of those, all of you who have contributed to our coverage in the super chat, as well as those of you who have become members and joined our YouTube channel. We appreciate your support. It helps us bring you coverage like this. Plus 5 minutes, 45 seconds, now showing a map from SpaceX showing the location of the first stage booster as it's making its way toward the drone ship east of the Cape. The second stage, velocity heading downrange. Second stage trajectory line shows upper stage satellite.
Hey, this is Mitch Bromwell. This video is for educational purposes only. I just want to say God bless you all and God bless America. Mitch Bromwell.